यार तू यार so you gotta tell me man what's this about arranged marriage and love marriage?
I mean, I don't understand, man. मैं कुकी के पास गया, उसने मुझे रिजेक्ट किया, वो तो अरेंज मैरिज थी.
So this is something I use for James Earl Jones, if you can hear it. Luke, I am your father. Together we will take over the dark side.
तो अगर तुम दोनों का हो गया हो तो यहाँ पे थोड़ी गुफ्तगू को चेंज कर सकते हो तुम.
क्वीन, मैंने तुम्हें कितनी बार कहा है मेरे सामने इतनी बकवास मत किया करो. अरे भाई क्या रखा है शादी वादी में? हर दिन होली, रात दिवाली.
Fall in love with your voice, feel confident every time you speak, and let others notice that superstar quality in your voice. That's what happens on Voice Superstars. Here's a special that Anant Jha was the speaker at.
Welcome, Anant.
So many people waking up so early in the morning. I have never worked a day in my life. कोई बोलने के पैसे दे रहा है और गाने सुनने के भी पैसे दे रहा है. I mean, life is sorted.
Mimicry, is that basically the same thing as just like acting in character form then?
If you can hear that voice in your head without it being played out loud is when you can replicate it. With mimicry, you obviously can't ask James Earl Jones to give you his voice as a key. So you have to have it in your head. If you can hear it in your head, your mouth pretty much gets the direct orders from the headquarters and it reproduces it. So this is something I use for James Earl Jones, if you can hear it. Luke, I am your father. Together we will take over the dark side.
Anant, I have a question. If you can give me a few tips how to make the conversation more interesting and bring out the best from my guests, that would be very helpful for me.
The first thing I'd tell you is be friends with your interviewer before you go on to the recording. Like I said, don't be two strangers coming onto the camera for the first time. Make your questions very clear and simple. Don't put questions inside questions and from that answer you ask another question.
The answer for you, Abhitosh, it would be that people love the sound of their own voice when they are speaking, not when they are being recorded or they are hearing a recording.
I think it's time for some mimicry.
So you gotta tell me, man, what's this about arranged marriage and love marriage? Why are you so against arranged marriages, yaar?
I don't know. किसने बताया तेरे को?
So I'll tell you, have you played cards? If you have an arranged marriage, it's like going blind. So when you lose, you don't feel bad. But when you see your cards and then you play it and then you lose, you feel like an idiot, man.
I mean, I don't understand, man. मैं कुकी के पास गया, उसने मुझे रिजेक्ट किया, वो तो अरेंज मैरिज थी. लेकिन उसके बाद जब मैंने लव मैरिज करी तो मेरी बीवी ने शादी के बाद मुझे रिजेक्ट कर दिया. I mean, मैं कहाँ पे जाऊंगा, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. अरेंज मैरिज का प्रॉब्लम, लव मैरिज में प्रॉब्लम.
Do you need God to send you a telegram now, man? Marriages are not for you.
I mean, Farhan, I think we are on the same boat.
Also, next time you go for a girlfriend, figure out, very important thing, whether she's right-handed or left-handed. That will tell you which direction you're going.
मेरी तो 11 की 11 उंगलियां घी में थी, लेकिन अब सारी बाहर आ गई हैं. अब मैं क्या करूं? मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. किधर जाऊं, कैसे करूं? I don't know, man. But it's awesome, mind blowing.
देखो अगर तुम दोनों का हो गया हो तो यहाँ पे थोड़ी गुफ्तगू को चेंज कर सकते हो तुम.
क्वीन, मैंने तुम्हें कितनी बार कहा है मेरे सामने इतनी बकवास मत किया करो. आई एम सीनियर एजेड पर्सन.
नहीं, मैं जानता हूँ कि आप सीनियर एजेड पर्सन हैं, आपको बहुत बहुत शौक है आपको वो रात में बोतल खोलने का भी. लेकिन अगर आप दिमाग अगर खोल के बात करें तो आप अरेंज मैरिज पे भी बात कर सकते हैं.
अरे भाई क्या रखा है शादी वादी में? हर दिन होली, रात दिवाली. आ जाइएगा मधुशाला.
शादी में कुछ नहीं रखा है तो सिर्फ प्यार में. प्यार करते जाओ और बढ़ते जाओ.
उफ, तुम्हारे ये उसूल, तुम्हारी आदर्श जिनसे 2 वक्त की रोटी नहीं पक सकती क्या? ऐसी कुछ. Okay.
Anant and Tuhin should actually do this more regularly. That's what I feel. It was awesome, actually. I mean, like a YouTube series or something.
Does cigarette smoking hamper your voice quality?
Very debatable questions. A lot of singers, while it may not affect the quality of your voice so much, it will definitely affect your lung capacity and your breath control.
Okay.
Because you're clogging up parts of your lungs which could be used to hold an air.
Thank you so much, Anant. It's been awesome to have you here.
Early in the morning.
Early in the morning.
Join Voice Superstars. We've got a promo offer which you will not believe for the value that we give you. If you are serious about transforming your voice, it's the best community that you can find in the world. The link is right here. We'll see you either on the Sunday call or next on our channel. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share.